Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee egg, only way. Whisk 1 egg white briskly, add cooled brewed coffee, and stir gently to bind grounds. Let the mixture sit for 5 to 10 minutes so proteins collect sediment and clarify the liquid. Carefully pour through a fine sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean vessel and discard solids. Serve the clarified coffee hot or chilled, adjusting strength to taste. In this video, I will show how to make coffee egg, only way. Egg white acts like a gentle filter, binding tiny particles and oils that cloud coffee. As the proteins coagulate, they trap impurities, forming visible sediment you can remove by careful straining. The result is a smooth, bright cup that preserves the original coffee notes while reducing bitterness and grit. It's simple, low cost, and surprisingly effective. In this video, I will show how to make coffee egg, only way. Start with quality brewed coffee cooled to warm, then whisk 1 egg white until frothy and mix gently. Allow the mixture to rest for 5 to 10 minutes so impurities clump, then pour slowly through a fine sieve and cheesecloth to capture sediment. Taste and adjust strength, and always discard the solids safely. Enjoy a cleaner, brighter cup with minimal fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.